Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to split a cell into separate rows. So I'll look at two scenarios. The first is very simple. You've got a cell with three values separated by a comma, and you just want to display them in separate cells like I've got there. The other scenario is where you need to create a row within a data set for each item within a particular cell. So for example, Sarah Nolan has three responsibilities, and down here you can see she has three separate rows. So let's look at how to do both things. So the simple task is just to get the three items within a cell in separate rows. And to do this, we just use the TEXTSPLIT function. Now your text is the text that you want to split, or the cell address of that text. Then the next argument is col delimiter. Now I don't want to separate into separate columns. I want to separate into separate rows. So I just skip over that argument. And now we have the row delimiter. And that's where I need to put in the delimiter that is currently used to separate these items. Now you can see it's actually a comma and then a space. So in speech marks, that's exactly what I put. Then I close the bracket, press enter, and there we have it. So what about the other scenario where we need to create a separate row within this data set for each item in column D? Well, to do this, we use Power Query. You have to put your data in a table, so click somewhere in it, Control T, click on OK. Then you go up to the Data tab on your ribbon, and you click on From Table Range. Click somewhere in the column where you need to make the split, and then click on Split Columns, and then select By Delimiter. So you need to specify your delimiter. It's not quite a comma, it's a comma and a space, so we have to go down to Custom, and then we type in a comma and then a space. Click on Advanced Options and specify you want to split into rows, and then click on OK. And you can see it's done it for you, and all you need to do is export it to a sheet within your workbook. So to do that, you just click on this little button here, Close and Load. And it will create the new data set, separate row for each item in the responsibilities column, in a separate sheet.